San Beda College survived a furious rally by the Philippine Christian University Dolphins in their do-or-die showdown for the NCAA crown last Friday. The third game threatened to become another blowout, with the Red Lions leading by as much as 17 points after the third quarter. The Dolphins, however, refused to buckle down, going on a 23-7 tear in the fourth quarter to slash San Beda's lead to 1 point. PCU's rally, however, fizzled in the end, with Ian Garrido drawing a blank from 15 feet with the game clock running out. Yusuf Al-Jamal called it the rebound to secure the win and marked the end of San Beda's 28-year title drought. San Beda's Coy Banal also achieved a record of sorts, becoming the latest coach to win both the NCAA and UAAP titles. And joining us here on Mornings at ANC are members of the San Beda Red Lions. Please welcome their starting five, basically. Guard John Paul Escobar. Just wave your hand, say hello. Forward Rojimar Menor. Point guard Alexander Angeles. Of course, rookie MVP Samuel Ekwe. And finals MVP Yusuf Al-Jamal. Hey, good morning, guys, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Chorus line. How are you? And oh, by the way, this is Mariton.
Actually, I don't know what I'm doing here. Ricky, chicken out. We're supposed to be doing all this together, right?
Well, anyways, it's such a sweet story, 28 years hindi nag-champion ang San Beda. And finally, nakuha nyo in an amazing series. Siguro, simulan ko sa pinaka-veterano, kina Yusuf at saka si Alex. Compare nyo yung this year, yung pagpasok nyo ng season this year. Ano yung expectations niyo na nakita nyo yung lineup this year? Nakita nyo na second season nyo na with Coach Coy, di ba? Ano yung expectations ng team kaagad?
Yung expectation namin talaga parang lalaban kami hanggang sa Final Four. Then yun yung muna yung goal namin. Then kasi nga yung lineup ang lalaki. Tapos may mga veterano rin. Kaya yun yung tingin namin na papasok na kami sa Final Four. Tapos finals.
Yusuf, gaano kaiba yung feeling this year? Parang dumami yung support, parang mas involved yung alumni. Ganun ba talaga yung nakita ninyo from the team?
Dati pa naman, marami na rin yung alumni na nagsusupport sa amin. Pero unlike ngayon, siyempre siguro nanalo kaya dumadami din sila. Through us, na-unite yung mga alumni. Kaya, yeah.
Sa tingin nyo, kamusta yung, from your expectations, kamusta yung performance ng mga baguhan? Of course, si Sam, si OG, second year mo na ngayon.
Second year po, so
si John Paul, first year mo na? Kamusta yung nagawa nila? O sa tingin mo, mas maganda pa magagawa nila?
Malaking tulong sila eh. Like sina Pong, sina Sam, si OG. Malaking tulong sila. Parang hindi sila rookie eh. Nung paglalaro, parang alam nilang i-handle yung ganong situations. Parang
Mariton, did you? I'm sorry, I don't wanna not make you pansin. But you heard of the game last Friday?
Yes. Of course, I heard of the game. I was telling you about it nga, diba? Everywhere I go, not just ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganun kalaking support sa NCAA.
Yeah.
Because everyone's talking about the NCAA finals this time.
And the crowd, did you expect that kind of a crowd? Seriously, mga 70% ng Araneta na sakop ninyo. Parang yata nakapasok yung mga taga-TC.
Pero malaking pressure ba yun? Kasi majority of the crowd, puro San Beda.
Oo, nung umpisa pa lang parang malaki talaga yung pressure kasi nga gusto na yung supporters namin, grabe talaga sila sumuport at saka gusto talaga nila ma-end na namin yung 28-year drought namin.
Okay, para sa mga baguhan naman sila, John Paul, nung natalo kayo ng Game 2, tinambakan kayo. Diba? Anong motivation na binigay sa inyo ni Coach Coy na para makabawi sa Game 3?
Right after Game 2, nung the following day, nag-ensayo kami. Sinabi niya sa amin, we need to go back to the basic. Kasi nung Game 2, parang feeling kasi namin lahat gusto na namin manalo eh. So, nangyari, naging tight tuloy kami, tsaka tensyonado. So, come Game 3, sabi niya, let's just relax, go back to the basic, kasi doon kami nagka-capitalize, like nung Game 1, parang wala kaming pressure kung naglaro. So, sabi niya, balikan namin yung ganong klaseng laro and everything will be fine.
Now, Sam, of course, everybody knows is the rookie MVP this year. Congratulations again. Last time you were here, you were just Sam. Now you're rookie MVP. Okay. You were matched up against Gabby Espinas, who also was a rookie MVP. How did you feel coming into the series, being matched up against this guy?
Well, I feel great because I like to be in a challenging position. not in a position whereby I think I can do something over somebody whom cannot challenge me. But it's good to play against a good player like Espinas and also gifted player so that you will know your level in the basketball. Because if you play against somebody who you're better off than, you will think you're someone else. You know, you think you're better, you're good already. I really, it's enough motivation to me.
All right.
Playing
Now,
against the
si Ogie naman, ikaw, kumbaga may pinapauso ka na galing kang high school, tumuloy ka sa San Beda College. Bihira nangyayari yun eh. Kasi through the years, ang dami ng alumni ng San Beda High School. Tualo, sila, ang dami na, di ba, na from San Beda High School, pupunta sa ibang eskwelahan. No? They go to better colleges. Bakit mo napiling tumuloy sa San Beda College?
Mas mahal ko po kasi San Beda. Doon na po ako lumaki. So, parang utang na loob po yung pag-stay ko sa San Beda.
Marami nagsasabi dahil sa ginawa mo, pati si Taganas, diba, kasama ka batch mo, no, na parang mas maganda na ulit na tignan na option yung mga superstar ng high school team tumuloy sa college team. Sa tingin mo ba na mas na-impluensya nyo na ngayon yung mga naiwan nyo sa high school? Na tumuloy sa
Opo, kasi like Borgio Hermida, nag-stay na rin. So, yung mga ibang star player ng juniors, doon na rin po siguro pupunta sa amin. So, nakikita nila na nagiging maganda yung resulta.
So parang ano siya, isang university na ano. Kamusta yung Friday yun? Ay, so hindi pa kayo nakakapasok sa school. Pero nag-celebration party na kayo. Today is a big day. Nauna pa tayo. Pero anong plano so far? Nag-celebration party na ba kayo na Friday over the weekend? Or there's something? Wednesday? There's still a big party
This
on
Wednesday.
And where is it gonna be?
in Podman Fashion.
NBC 10.
Wow, okay, so NBC. Wow, okay, big time talaga. Well, 28 years.
All right, Teach. I just wanna satisfy my own curiosity
Go ahead.
here because
Anything you want.
I know very little about this Rookie of the Year Sam here. I remember you did an interview with him before the season started, right? And
Well,
this is
just
the
as a
first
season
time you're doing
started.
basketball. Is that right?
First time playing college basketball. Yeah.
But he didn't go to the Philippines for basketball.